yung flower namin sa bahay. Ito po yung flower. Yan po ang nakaupo sa aming sala. Yan po yung collection ko, yung bagong. I love bagong. Diba parang kala mo may bata dito, wala naman. Kami lang naman. Yan. Yung asawa ko nag-a-arrange yan. Kasi busy na. Busy ba? Ay, ito pala si Paco. Ito. Yan po yung ano ko, yung massage chair. Good morning. I'm good. I'm making a video.
What?
Making a video.
You're making a video of you?
Just here at the house.
You're at the house.
Yeah. Move around.
Huh? You're crazy.
I'm not. Ay, yan pala. So yan yung flower na regalo ko sa kanya nung Father's Day yata yun. Nasira kasi yun.
Yeah, the plant's not looking so good.
What?
That plant's not looking so good.
Yeah, because the last time that you put water, it's not supposed to be like a lot. And
I did it once.
and they told me like only like once a month, something like that.
Wow.
Yeah, but I think you did it like twice, right?
No, I think once.
Once, but you pour a lot, right?
Yeah.
Ayan po
Soak
yan.
them all.
Ayan po yung pag pumupunta siya ng iba-ibang lugar, nagko-collection po siya. Pero ang collection ko is ito, bagong.
Who was that for?
So, what?
Who was that for?
Nothing, I'm just making a video. Shut up there. Ang ingay. Ang ingay niya, diba? Ay, mga pins yan sa sombrero ko. Ito. Like that. Ay, siya. Tapos, ayan o. Ay. Pala yung regalo niya sa akin. Ano? Kailan ba yun? Sa akin yan. Sa ito. Dami yun. Ay, ito pala ay ring. Ring pala ito.
How was your sleep?
It's good. I don't remember what time we get.
Did you have enough blanket on your feet?
Yeah, I do have.
I didn't steal the blanket all night?
Who, you or me?
Me.
Yes, you have. You rolled it.
Again?
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It means you sleep really good. Yeah. Yeah. Si katagyayaan
You
eh.
weren't uncomfortable?
Which one?
You weren't uncomfortable?
No, I'm good. I'm okay.
Because you said that I stole it. And then
But I still have. And you give me the big pillow, right?
did the big pillow work?
Yeah.
See?
I'm not complaining.
Well, how come
What you
don't-
mean?
How come you didn't listen to me?
I did. That's why I
know,
use it.
I promised that even the pillow would work for me, for my feet. But for some reason, I
What?
don't know why, I keep stealing the
Yeah.
blanket when I'm sleeping. How is that possible?
So,
I don't
ito po
know.
yung room namin pang exercise po. Yeah.
How is it possible if I don't know?
Yeah, because... But don't worry about me. I sleep really good. So, ayan po ang naka-Instagram. Why you keep following me? You're funny. Why? Why you keep following me, huh?
Because it's funny.
What?
I want to hear what you're saying.
Because I speak Tagalog. Gusto mo Bisaya na lang? I'm just talking to myself here at the video. Ito po yung banyo namin guys dito. Maliit lang siya. Ayan. Ayan po yung ano namin. Pero maliit lang. Hindi pa ako naglinis eh. Kaya kalat. Kalat po, kalat. Lalo na dito. So ito po yung ano namin labas. Ang bahay. Ay. Ito lang guys ha. Ay, ito pala yung tanim namin. Ito, avocado. Avocado. Tanim niya yan eh. So, nandito lang po kami nakatira sa second floor. Ito po yung tanim namin. Na mga ano lang. Ito, wala. Maybe nga nagtatago. So, meron kami yan. Bell pepper, kamatis, talong. Pero na-harvest ko na po yung ibang bunga. So, ayan. May mani po dyan. Sinubukan ko lang. Saka tanglad, oh. Laki na. Ayan, diba? Kamatis. Kamatis. Sobrang ano. Kumapang na dito. So, ito po guys. Napaliputan po kami ng matataas na building. Ayan. Ayan po yung CEO. Malipat ng 7-Eleven. Po yung hotel. Pero ano lang to guys. Parang hindi naman siya ano na lugar. Tawag dito yung Tech City. Malapit kasi kami guys sa ano kampo ng sundalo. Yung ano American ano ng mga sundalo. Yan yung bahay namin guys. So, sa labas. Ihawan kung gusto kami mag-ihaw. Kasi yun sa baba namin pala nagbunga na. Second floor. Dito kung gusto naman mag-ihaw, pwede dito mag-ihaw. Pag nagsampay naman ako na ano dyan naman siya. So, diba? First time ko nabuhayan ng ano ng tangla dito. Kasi dati nagtanim ako dito sa likod. Pero pati ano yung alagbati hindi man nabuhay. Ayan dyan eh. Hindi siya nabuhay. Ito ano din yan dyan. Grocery store din yan. Malapit kami sa lahat. Tapos dyan sa likod nito mga ano na mga bar. Marami puno siya ng bar kasi ano nga sa military base na. Space. Kamatis pa lang gumagapang. Ayun lang po guys. Pasok po ako sa loob ng aming tahanan. Char. What's wrong? Why you're hiding?